Hi everyone, I'm excited today to talk about my Python learning journey with you. I came from an art and design background, and learning Python was not an easy task for me. I struggled a lot trying to learn programming, so you might find my story interesting. I tried to watch countless YouTube tutorials, but they never made sense to me. It didn't make any real progress, maybe because the tutorials were too abstract or it didn't spark my interest enough. Until a friend of mine recommended a book called Automate the Boring Stuff with Python. With a simple copy of the book and a terminal, I start going through the book, applying every exercise and step along the way, and I start making a much greater progress. The book explained to me how Python or any programming language is dynamic and how flow control works, and visualized many aspects of programming and gave me a step-by-step how the computer breaks down the code. So it made sense to me finally, and within 3 days I had solid grasp of the fundamentals of Python. Tell me down in the comment, did you struggle to learn Python yourself? As you can see, my journey wasn't a linear process. It has back and forth. But I am not done yet telling you the second half of the story. I have a very clear goal in mind, which is automating some work in Unreal Engine. And oh boy, the Unreal API was a nightmare to learn. It was so hard for me to grasp it. I spent 1 week just to get a few basic script working and 2 more weeks to get much of my script working. As you can see, learning Python for me wasn't an easy linear process. It was a very difficult and non-linear process. So as you can see, learning programming can be easier by picking the right resources, doing the right exercises, having the right goal and mindset in mind. So don't be discouraged if you find it difficult and you wanted to learn. As long as you have the desire to learn, you will find a way. So this has been the Elegant Academy. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye. By the way, we'll leave some resources down in the description if you want to learn Python. So check them out. And don't forget to subscribe.